Hi, I'm Allie St. Cyr with Tomlin St. Cyr Real Estate Services, and I can't wait to show you around this amazing home. Let's go check it out. Thank you for touring this home with me today. To stay in the know with all of my listings, follow me on Facebook at Allie Sells Tampa Bay. To schedule a private tour of this home, call me, Allie St. Cyr. I look forward to hearing from you soon.